Stop by and take a look at the 2017 X3. BMW X3 builds on the success of the original by developing its core competencies while adding new technology to establish new benchmarks for agility, efficiency, and comfort. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: panoramic moonroof, electronic stability control, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, rain sensing wipers, M Sport package, rear fog light. Your new ride is just a phone call away.